Yo, so as you know, I was a bit like, hey, let me sit down a little bit. So, as you know, I've got the body kit parts and they're gonna be sent in to get painted today. So I thought I'd just show you guys what it looks like before I send them off. So, the car right now, pretty, not too low. Obviously like the gap between the wheel and the fender is up extremely low and that's tucking there. That's basically perfect there. But obviously like look, like very massive gaps from the sides and the front. The rear, I didn't buy a rear lip because I have this issue where since I went with a, I'll just show you guys. Since I went with a Canon exhaust, since it's a lot wider and rounder, if I ever did put a rear lip on, I'd have to cut the rear lip and this would have to be lowered even more. And this already is tucked up as well as it can be because obviously PJ, my goat, did my exhaust. And he tucked it up perfectly flush with the rest of the car. But only issue is on speed bumps, I still hit my exhaust if I hit it too hard. So basically, rear lip would just fuck me up more and I have to redo the entire back end of my exhaust to push down more. And I have to cut the rear lip as well. So there wouldn't be that much of a point. And besides, the rear isn't that high. It is fairly high, but it's not too bad. I can always add rear camber arms and try add more camber and lower it more, which is obviously an option as well. But yeah, I'll just show you guys what it looks like with all the kit on. Well, I'll try to because I don't know if I can get the side mounts, the side skirts on because they need to be mounted and I need to remove the ones that are on already. So why am I losing my breath talking, bro? Okay, let me chill out. Alright, cool. Let me show you guys. Not a bad POV. Alright, cool. Let me show you guys. Alright, cool. Let's get this stuff on. So, I really wish these were washed beforehand or sold, or they weren't, or whatever. It is what it is. This is all just fiberglass. Yeah, so OEM, this is from the actual sedan, so this is the OEM front lip from the sedan. My car didn't come with it unfortunately, but got a white one. They're all white, surprisingly, because I bought them separately, right? But yeah, gotta get them more painted black. But anyway, let's fit on with a spider position on this. So this one just mounts straight on because my car will have the clips for this. Yeah, so this will mount straight on. This will be pretty easy to put on. I'm trying to remember which way it goes on. I am, yeah.
Is that your racing car?
It is.
Oh, that's your racing car. Are you a mechanic?
What was that?
Are you a mechanic?
I'm trying to be.
What are you trying to fix it?
Yeah.
It's broken?
It's not broken, I'm making it look better.
Oh. Are you quick mechanic?
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Take care. That's definitely not on properly. I get the keys. That was so cute, bro. I love community. Front lip's on. Not really on, but like I don't want to press it in too hard because it might snap. So I'm gonna just leave it on like that for now. Okay, unfortunately. Okay, that's like. Okay, I can't put it on properly because like the ones that are on right now need to come off for these side skirts because they are replacement. But this is low key what it's gonna look like. So front lip. Way nicer, way lower. Imagine it in black, obviously. Use your thinking caps. And then look at the sides. So much nicer. Because now, the biggest issue was that the sides and the back look lower than the front. And that front lip fixes it. But now the sides are also now level with the front, or even lower, I would say. When I get this one tucking and upper control arms on the front, it should make it so I can make the front a bit lower. And then yeah, Look at that. That looks fucking mental, bro. It'll obviously sit a little bit better because right now it's obviously not on properly, but that looks so much better. Like it's gonna make a really big. It fits on perfectly. We'll just need some different adapters, I think, because this one doesn't come with like any sort of side skirt body kit. So I had to screw on some adapters and make some custom clips. But I'm pretty down with that. The back does look higher now, so I don't know. We'll see what I feel like afterwards. But this is a full kit right now. It looks pretty fucking good to me, to be honest. Yeah, just quickly a video for you guys before I send it off today. So I would obviously put it on properly, but I'm taking it today to go get painted and dropped off. So next time you see it, hopefully they're on. But obviously there'll be a few videos before that because I got other stuff to record. But nah, like fucking oath, bro. It looks good. So this isn't the OEM size because I don't think this is from a brand called Evolution. Don't know what it is. Never heard of it, but it was a good price and I copped them. Front one is the OEM JZS171 sedan front lip. So the one that this car was meant to come with, but it wasn't optioned out. So yep. Yeah. Coming up next, gotta get this flex fixed up. Don't know if you can see the massive scratches on top of my roof because I've reversed into this garage right here. Not my proudest moment, but you know, shit happens. Well, what can you do? You just move forward and fix it, eh? So we're gonna work on fixing that these coming 3 weeks as well. I want to get a rear roof spoiler from Japan, hopefully. That might be a few months because shipping takes a while, and I want to use a container just because it's a bit cheaper to ship. I probably won't be buying too much from Japan. Next, also coming up another video is gonna be I'm gonna show you guys legit the entire car properly, like everything that's been done to it and the entire car tour. And then on top of that, I'm also gonna do a cost breakdown video where I'd say exactly how much I spent for the car, how much I spent on the car, how much maintenance has been, if I do my maintenance myself, how much my mechanic labor costs were to get the car even like to stop leaking. When I first bought it, this car was leaking everywhere. So just like I'll do a full breakdown of all that stuff. So stay tuned. But thought I'd just show you guys the body kit real quick. I'm pretty excited for it. I hope you guys are too. But oh, this lighting's so bad. But oh, it's actually pretty good. Nope, I can't see. Okay. Yeah, no. Pretty excited to see what's next for the next few weeks. Hopefully consistent uploading. We'll see how my editing goes. I'm a bit more free these days because uni's on break. So yeah. Cool. See you guys later. Peace.